Do you want to feel your best every day? Are you tired of taking supplements that don't deliver the results you're looking for? Like you're not getting all the nutrients your body needs to feel its best? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world struggle to find that supplements that truly work. But now, there's a new solution that's changing the game. Introducing AMLApureSuperC, the next generation of supplements that contains all of the plant's bioactive compounds and phytochemicals that other forms of supplements lack. These compounds are the key to not only possessing high levels of free radical scavenging, but also combining this attribute with a sustained absorption profile. That's why it's called Super C. It gives the full amount of vitamin C your body can absorb, in the morning and again at night. And with 4 times the absorption of regular vitamin C alone, you'll feel more energetic, healthy, and alive than ever before. AMLApureSuperC is backed by science and supports all 7 systems of the body: integumentary, skeletal, nervous, muscular, endocrine, digestive, and cardiovascular. And now, you can try it for yourself at a steep discount. Follow us on social media or sign up on our website so you don't miss out on amazing sales that only last for 59 minutes. AMLApureSuperC, the supplement that will change the way you feel about supplements. Try it today and start feeling your best.
Getting old really sucks, and we all know that cell damage occurs by those free radicals in the air, in our food, and in our medicine. So I have to be careful to pick something that's backed by science and not just fluff and air in a fancy package. I came across AMLAPureSuperC, and I've never heard of it in my life. It's like kind of a super fruit with such a high content of not only absorbable vitamin C, but all the other kinds of bioactive phytochemicals. But it's plant-based, so it has a ton of other stuff, which amplifies AMLA to have about 25% more antioxidant activity than regular vitamin C, which I didn't even realize was made in a lab and not from a plant at all. They appear to be sensible with the pricing, and they have these 1-hour sales since they just launched.
These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. And if you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using our products.